Okay, so we're going to construct a triangle with sides 6, 8 and 9 centimeters. Construct means don't build it, but draw accurately. Okay, and for that we'll need proper equipment, the right equipment to do so. So if we've got a side length, another side length, and another side length, and this is where maths teachers will tell you that we're making SSS triangles, where you've got side, side, side. Other instructions or information they could give you for other triangles might be angle, angle, or side, angle, side. They would be three typical ways of giving instructions to draw triangles. Right, well, what do we need to draw SSS, or side, side, side triangles? Well, if there's no angles, there's no point in having a protractor. Okay, forget that. What we need is a pair of compasses and a ruler, which I've got here. This is a pair of compasses. It's not a compass. A compass is what you use to tell which direction is north, south, east, west, etc. Okay, so we've got our pair of compasses, we've got our ruler. Let's get started. I start with the longest of the three lines. So I've drawn the 9 centimeter line already, and you can see that there. There it is, 9 centimeters. And then I may as well just draw, or do the first one in the list. So that would be the 6 centimeter line. Put the needle, hello, come here. Put the needle over on the 0 line, the 0 point on the ruler, just there. So you see I've put it over on 0, and open up the compasses to 6 centimeters. There. That means if I start drawing with the point on 0, everywhere along that arc that I've just drawn will be 6 centimeters away from the left edge, or the left point of the line. Okay, it doesn't need to be that big. I'll make it a bit smaller. The important bit is that you get an arc round about here, somewhere higher up above the line, past the halfway mark on your line. Okay, so that would be sufficient. Bring the compasses back down to the ruler so that you can now measure out a gap of 8 centimeters. Switch the compasses so that you've got the sharp bit over on the other end of the line. Bring it up to here, and then you can use... Oh, I just got it right. Can you see that I only just managed to get them to cross? What you need is for that to happen. So really I could have afforded to have done a slightly longer one on the other side. I'll show you what I mean. I could really have done with having done a slightly longer arc. If I go back to here, I could really have maybe done that to give myself a better chance of the two lines crossing. See how careful you've got to be. Right, well, now that you've got that in place, you can get rid of the compasses. You take out your ruler and join the left hand edge to where those two arcs cross, and the right hand edge to where those two arcs cross, and you have yourself a triangle measuring 8, 6 and 9 centimeters. There we go. Done. You'll notice that it says leave the construction lines. These are the construction lines, the arcs. They're construction lines, and the reason why you might get asked to leave those is so that people can see how you did them. So rather than rubbing them out, leave them in, always. No examiner or GCSE question is ever going to ask you to rub them out. Okay, there we have it. So I'll move the ruler just so you can see the final version. We've got an 6, 8, 9 centimeter triangle. Okay, thanks for watching.